The International Foundation for Equine Podiatry Research, Heel First Study. The goal of this study is to evaluate and understand the effect of landing heel first, flat-footed, and toe first on the three functions of the equine hoof. The functions of the hoof include gait or movement, impact, and stance. Additionally, we will be looking to determine whether acoustics can be used to objectively identify lameness in the horse. Acoustics have been used in human studies, but have never before been used with the horse. We suspect that a heel-first landing is physiologically normal in the horse, and that a flat-footed or toe-first landing is abnormal and will cause pathology in the hoof, leading to inflammation, pain, and subsequent lameness. We will be collecting many kinds of data in this study, including visual data, data on symmetry, stride length, acoustics, and blood flow. Our visual data will be comprised of slow-motion videos to aid us in objectively determining how the horse is landing, heel first, flat-footed, or toe first. We will then upload this video into a physics software program that allows us to use a calibration tool and a known measurement on the horse to calculate stride length. We will also be using a system called the Equinosis Lameness Locator, which is the current standard for determining lameness in horses, as recognized by the scientific community. The data obtained from this will allow us to compare our data from the acoustics in order to accurately determine the efficacy of our setup. In this study, we will only be focusing on lameness in the front limbs. In order to measure acoustic data, we will fit the horse with a surcingle and a single microphone transmitter on the dorsal aspect of the horse. The transmitter will record the footsteps of the horse at a walk and a trot and will send the data to a receiver on our camera, which will then be uploaded into WaveLab Pro, an audio editing software. We will use this software to isolate hoof steps and analyze the amplitude of each waveform created by both front feet and compare them during heel-first, flat-footed, and toe-first landing. In this horse, you can clearly see a difference in amplitude between the left and the right front steps. In order to show that a toe-first or flat-footed landing causes pathology in the hoof, we will be measuring the end diastolic volume in the palmar digital artery using a Doppler. The higher the end diastolic volume, the more inflammation in the foot. Ultimately, we will use this data to determine what is normal and healthy for a horse, and we will find out if acoustics can be used in the equine world to objectively determine lameness.